Version control plays a vital role in software development. Every time you press the Save button within our ETL software, new version is created for you automatically, so you can easily recover from any data loss. Here it is, or we can, for example, add the version manually. We can also add a version from the version control, and if we select the root node, we can add all objects to the version control. For example, add version, let's call it here we can see a list of all the versions, and if we want to recover back, we just press revert to old version, and for example we click automatically generated, click revert, and here it is. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe.